Well, that was fast. It's already closing day on the new house. Well, tomorrow morning. I'm starting this the night before. Let's roll the intro. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, yeah, just like that, I know I think I announced it back in January of last year that we would be building a house, selling this house for a few reasons. One being more space. Our family is growing away from the city, better schools, and a house with a much better garage and future expansion possibilities. So that's what we did. If you follow the channel, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, so we'll take the C5 Z06 down there. We got to do a walkthrough first. We did one a week ago, make sure they fix all the boogers, and then we'll do our signing. But we'll skip all that. You'll just see the part we get the keys and walk through the house and stuff. I'll give you a fun little tour and some very preliminary upgrades for the garage and other little things around the house. Very exciting, a lot going on. As you can see, the garage is pretty much empty. All the cabinets are empty. I'm actually leaving the guy a lot of good stuff, like all my cabinets and shelves. I'm leaving them, even my lights, because I'm starting from scratch in a brand new garage. So the only thing I'm taking is like the TV, some furniture. I'm leaving the desk because I custom made this desk for this garage. The arcades are coming with me, and like the power washer and vacuum and stuff. But everything else I'm giving to him. So not a bad deal. You look at. And I really do think the garage sold the house. I could be wrong. I don't know, but I feel like it did. Closing a new house tomorrow, but for you it'll be in like the next 2 minutes. We got until Saturday morning to get all this stuff moved over to the new house. Big trucks coming Saturday to take all of our stuff. They're doing their walkthrough Sunday, and then they're closing on our house on Monday. A lot of moving parts to this, man. Moving is just, it's a lot. The paperwork, logistics involved, and all the services you gotta turn on, you gotta turn off. There's a lot of moving parts to it. It's a pain in the ass. So, especially having 2 little kids, it's tricky. In any case, let me shut up. I'll snap my fingers and it'll be next day. All right, just like that. Next morning, oh, I got the crud. I feel like doo-doo. It's all right. See, the house is all getting all boxed up. It's all sterile. I've been off the wall, so I'll take the C5 down there. We'll drop her off. I'll finally be back in the garage today. Yeah, we'll just jump right into new projects. All right, middle of December, 70 degrees. It's about to rain. I dodged that bullet. Such weird weather this year, man. Crazy. Yeah, a lot of houses going up off there in yonder. We used to be by ourselves, not anymore. So this house is really rad, 3-level deal. It's not gonna be that color, that's just the color of the hardy board. It's pretty freaking neat. Looks like my neighbor's here. I believe he's a cop. We'll be best friends. There she is, all done. Man, it was cooler when I was by myself. I got all these neighbors now, oh, the worst. Nah, it's cool, my daughter will like it. All right, it's actually many hours later. Today kind of turned into a debacle. It's late at night, the first night here by myself. My family's in the other house, so that's done next week. But I'll kind of show you around a little bit. It is cold out here, holy cow. All right, here's the foyer, I'm gonna call it. This could be like a formal or office. We're still not sure what we're gonna do with it, so TBD on that guy. I actually just love the staircase. I love staircases. I know it's a weird thing, but really cool detail on it. Yes, I know there's carpet right now, but that's just because we have little ones. That might be coming up sooner than later. We'll see, but it kind of works how they did the runner on it. So cool, front room. I'm gonna come back here. Little bathroom in here. Nothing too crazy. Super tall ceiling, so I know I sound very echoey. I'm losing my voice, getting sick. Ugh. All right, so here's kind of like the living room and then dining space right here underneath this guy. And then obviously a little bar right there. And a really fun kitchen. I'll be doing under cabinet lighting next week and above lighting. I might do some lighting underneath here too. I have so many projects that's driving me nuts. I want to do it all like right now. I'm like a 40-year-old, 12-year-old. I just want to do everything right now. And here's a cool little bonus room we got. It's like a 3-season room, if you will. I think it's like 180 square feet. But even right now, it's like 38 degrees outside. It's comfortable, it's cozy. These are like windows, but they're plastic. It's really interesting. But it's pretty cool. Yeah, I have a little console out here with a TV on it. Of course. Mostly for football out here, probably. But yeah, I'm glad we got this little extension. It's pretty neat. All right, coming back inside here, kind of circle around. I want to do something really fun with this wall. I don't know what yet. And that wall too. It's coming. All right, huge pantry. 10-foot ceilings. These are, I don't like these at all. This is gonna go, but it'll be okay for now. And right next to it is kind of strange, but it's a huge storage room. We already have a coat closet, so we'll get creative. We'll use it, not mad about it. This actually had an option, this model, to where I'm standing could be like a French door office / bedroom, and that would be the bathroom, but I didn't want to close off all of this, so we opted not to do that. Let's go out here in the garage, my favorite room. Oh, look who's already here. The old Z06. Looks so small in here. But yeah, I'm excited, man. These 12-foot ceilings. So this and C8, and then obviously we'll have a lift over here. These got to get raised at some point, a few feet. And then I got the side mount garage door opener. I'm just gonna go up there. I'm gonna do that tomorrow morning. That's why I'm here tonight. Oh, that light's gotta go. Don't worry, we're going back to the honeycombs. Don't you guys worry. And for those curious, this is the coat closet right there. All right, let's go upstairs. All right, we'll start over here. A little laundry room deal. Nothing too exciting, just a laundry room without washer and dryer yet. And we'll start over here, bedroom 1. This one's got a pretty good sized closet with it. I believe a light too. Yeah, that's nice. And they have a bathroom. It's like a Jack and Jill. You get one bathroom and they share a shower. And yeah, this connects down there like this. That room is mostly for the in-laws or guest room. All right, bedroom number 2. Man, I am losing my voice. It's driving me nuts. I'm so over these boob lights. These have got to go. Gotta go. I can't stand them. But they came with the house, so whatever. Cool. It's funny coming from a house that was built in the teens, 19 teens, a brand new house. Our current house is all hardwood. I say hardwood. It's like that vinyl plank deal, but it's so much quieter having carpet upstairs. It absorbs all the sound. And here's our master. It's actually pretty cool little French doors. That's my bed for tonight. I look like a drug dealer. Cool little bay windows. And those little guys are pretty cool. The bathroom I love. This really sold me on this model. It's huge. And this is that leather granite. It's like a flat finish. It's really cool. A little jacuzzi. No jets though. But it'll serve our purposes. It's pretty cool. Got to get some window dressing so the neighbors aren't seeing my wife's boobies all running around. And how cool is this dual shower head? So excited. So freaking cool. Another little shitter up here. And a huge closet. It's kind of ridiculous, but it's pretty fun. And then tomorrow I'll show you outside what we did with the property, how we skewed it a little bit, and it'll make sense why we did that for future detached garage expansion and a second driveway. It'll make sense. These are tall ceilings. These are 10-foot tall ceilings in here too. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much the inside. I got a lot of stuff I want to do. Holy cow. And then we're not going to go in the attic. The attic's pretty cool. Actually, quite a bit of storage space this way and this way. More than I thought, which is nice. I gotta get a shed for the backyard. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the morning real quick. We'll do a quick little outside tour, and I'll close this video out. So this community is pretty liberal as far as what you can do with your property. Not liberal in like political sense. So yeah, we had our property skewed to the right quite a bit. So our property line goes right past this tree. So I want to say about right here. They only give you so much square footage of sod, but it is what it is. So yeah, we have all this to play with. I do eventually want to do a 2-car detach right there with the driveway coming down to meet that. That'll be a future project. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Yes, ma'am.
Why is our grass like
dead? Because this is like a Bermuda, and it won't be green again until probably April.
No, I mean, why is it like shaped and like
Oh, square? Because it's called sod.
and like brown?
That's confusing, I know. It's just sod. So you like the new house? Yeah?